In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix network problems in eFootball 2024. If you're running into connection errors, lag during online matches, or the game getting stuck on loading, this simple sequence usually clears things up on most Android phones. Menu names can vary a little depending on your device, but the flow is the same. First, we'll refresh the game's data by clearing its cache and storage. Open your phone's settings, then go to App Manager and open the app list. Use the search bar to find eFootball and select it. Tap Storage and Cache. Start with Clear Cache to remove temporary files that can cause glitches after updates or long play sessions. Next, tap Clear Storage and confirm with OK. This resets the app's stored data so it can rebuild fresh connections. Just a heads up, clearing storage can reset in-game settings and may require you to sign in again, so make sure your game progress is safely linked to your account. Next, make sure the app has the permissions it needs to connect smoothly. Go back to the app info page and open permissions, find nearby devices and set it to allow. This helps with device discovery and can improve stability when the game interacts with controllers or local services. Then open notifications and turn on allow notifications. While it doesn't change your internet speed, it ensures you don't miss important prompts or service messages that relate to connectivity. Now update the game to the latest version, open the Google Play Store, search for eFootball, and tap Update if it's available. Updates often include server compatibility fixes, improved matchmaking, and patches that resolve known network issues. Even small version mismatches can cause errors, so keeping the app up to date is essential. When that's done, restart the game. A fresh launch forces the app to rebuild its cache, recheck permissions, and establish a clean connection to the servers. Give it a moment on the first load, then try jumping into a match or the online lobby to confirm everything's working. A few quick extras can make a big difference. Use a stable Wi-Fi connection rather than a spotty mobile network, and stay close to your router if possible. Turn off any VPNs, which can add latency or block game servers, and consider restarting your phone before launching the game to clear out stuck processes. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.